All right, you've got mermaid, butterfly, and barrel spin. These are just some fun spins that you can teach your beginning students. All right, first one, mermaid spin. Fabric on one side, hand go bottom, wrap around the front, and grab the fabric. Other hand, which is opposite of the fabric, will go around the front and wrap it around one time and grab the fabric. From there, the same hand that is up is the same leg that will go up and opposite. Okay, this is going to wind you up as you go towards the side of that arm that's up, and then keep twisting until your leg on the ground just comes up. You can make different fun shapes here, but this is the mermaid shape. Stay engaged in the shoulder, most importantly. Butterfly. All right, you're going to grab two ends there, and you're going to throw them back. Bring them forward as you walk forward. Bring them in as you walk back, and out as you walk forward. Throw them forward as you bring them in, and repeat. All right, barrel spin. You're going to butterfly. Bring those two ends together, throw them sideways. Keep one foot grounded as you spin around, creating this barrel shape with your fabric. One foot will be wound up with fabric, but you'll be able to easily step out since one foot is free. Hey Fly Tribe, it's Abby here from the Flying Fitness, and I just hope you enjoyed your tutorial for the week. And guys, if you have anything in mind that you would like to see, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and we will be sure and do a tutorial for you. And if you have yet to subscribe to our channel, go ahead and ring that bell to be the first to know when we post a new tutorial. All right, see you next week.